The phosphate cycle starts with phosphate in water, which deposits in shallow sediments in the ocean, which goes two directions. One is the ocean food webs, and one is deep sediments. Through the ocean food webs, seabirds eat the fish with phosphorus in them, and then they fly back to shore, and their dead bodies with phosphorus in them, and their poop or guano deposits it into the rock, which through erosion and mining is then deposited back into the water, completing the cycle. And then over here, in the deep sediments, the phosphorus exits the lithosphere through mining as well, or tectonic plates shifting, and then that goes all the way back to phosphates in the rock, which completes the cycle.
Phosphorus in the rocks gets eroded by running water and goes into the soil. Once it's in the soil, it is used to fertilize plants, which then get eaten by animals, and then decompose and die in our bacteria. This is important because phosphorus is very important for chemicals such as ATP, which transfer energy, and DNA, which contribute to cycles. When too much phosphate is in the water, it leads to excessive growth of algae. This algae absorbs too much oxygen in the water through a cycle called eutrophication. This eutrophication causes hypoxia, or zones where fish are dead, and these dead fish deposit phosphorus back into the sediment, whereas the cycle repeats itself and it's transferred through the cycle.
Humans contribute to this cycle through sewage, mining, and fertilizer. Fertilizer contains phosphorus, which through runoff enters back into the water, and sewage through the same process. And mining, like we talked about over here, releases ocean sediments as well as phosphate in rock, releases those sediments of phosphate back into the cycle.
Phosphorus is important to humans because it is used in many things such as detergents, and guano is used frequently as a fertilizer for agriculture.